Hi everybody, welcome to this video presentation where I'm going to show you how to use some iPad tricks to implement its use in your personal and student life. There are many things that your iPad can do that you might not know. For example, the smart way to highlight text using the keyboard, or the speech mode and the dictation, or also the zoom mode. I'll show you one by one. Let's start using the keyboard to highlight the text. Whenever you have a text that can be highlighted and you are on a screen where the keyboard can pop up, you can highlight the text with the keyboard by holding two fingers on it for a few seconds. Once the letters are faded, wait a few seconds more until the indicator has two circles on its extremities. Then move your fingers right or left, up and down, depending on the part of the text that you would like to highlight. Another use of the keyboard is to move the indicator among the text. It's a similar process, hold two fingers on the keyboard for a few seconds. Once the letters are faded, do not wait until the indicator has two circles, but start to move your fingers on the screen to move the indicator where you want. Much more easy, isn't it? If you want, you can ask your iPad to read for you your documents, web pages, and texts. However, you need to set it first. So go on Settings, then General, then Accessibility, then Speech, and turn on the Speak Selection and the Speak Screen buttons. Here you can personalize all the other options according to your preferences. For example, the voice, the speed, and you can even teach to the iPad how to pronounce words. Now that you have set this, let's see how it works. I will use an article from the Financial Times. Just click on the reader mode if you want to avoid that the iPad read useless information. To hear the content of the screen, just swap down two fingers from the top of the screen. As you can see, it starts to read the text. Now, because of the video recording, it is not talking, but if you try, I'm sure that it will work. And you can also decide if it should speak faster or slowly just by clicking the rabbit or the turtle. Or also if you want to skip forward or go back in the sections, just clicking on the skip buttons. Finally, you can pause the speech by clicking the central button. However, there might be some documents that do not allow the iPad to read the content, but don't worry, there are few of them. There might be a situation when you will prefer to speech your text to the iPad rather than tap it. That's easy. Just click the microphone button on the left of the spacebar and say your text. For example, "Hello dear, how are you today?" Question mark. The last trick is the zoom mode. Also in this case you need to set it first. So go on Settings, then General, Accessibility, and Zoom. And turn on the Zoom button. As you can see, the Zoom window pop up, and you can move it by holding the button on its bottom and moving your finger. Here there are some instructions. The main feature is that you need to use three fingers to control the zoom mode. For example, double tap with three fingers to zoom in and zoom out. So, double tap with three fingers, you are the zoom window. If you click the button on its bottom, you can have a list of settings. So you can further zoom in and zoom out, resize the lens, choose a filter, show the controller to move the window, or select the full screen zoom mode. But remember, if you want to return to the window zoom mode, you need to change it from the settings. And finally, you can completely zoom out by clicking twice with three fingers. So guys, this is all for today. Hope that you have found the video useful. However, for any doubt or issue, you can subscribe below the video or send an email to iskillsloops@gmail.com or come to our drop-in with your iPad so as to have a direct help. Thanks.